Hi everyone! Today, we're focusing on the Discuss Both Views essay, a common question in IELTS Writing Task 2. We'll take a standard Band 5.5 response and elevate it to Band 7+, focusing on how to present a balanced argument while still having a clear opinion. We'll analyze it using the 4 official criteria: task response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. Let's dive in. Here's our task. It asks us to examine 2 opposing viewpoints and give our own opinion. Here's an authentic Band 5.5 attempt. The writer tries to discuss both sides, but the ideas are underdeveloped, the opinion is weak, and there are several noticeable language errors. To get the most out of this video, I suggest you pause it and rewrite the essay with all the changes you would make to get a Band 7 or higher. After that, you can see if we have similar ideas. Alright, let's break it down criterion by criterion. For task response, the introduction must clearly state the essay's purpose and present a clear opinion. The 5.5 intro is weak and grammatically flawed. This thesis statement is far superior because it acts as a roadmap for the examiner. Using phrases like harsher punitive measures and rehabilitative alternatives shows you understand the nuances of the topic. Crucially, it clearly states your own position from the beginning, which is essential for a high score in this essay type. However, task response goes far beyond a good introduction. For a discussion essay, examiners expect you to thoroughly explore both perspectives. Take a look at the second body paragraph here. Education is very important, they can find a job. While the core idea is valid, it lacks the necessary depth. When we expand on this point to clarify exactly how education prevents reoffending, specifically by reducing their propensity to resort to crime out of economic desperation, the argument becomes robust and convincing. This is the level of detailed development required to secure a Band 7 or higher. For coherence and cohesion, we need to move beyond simple linking words and use more sophisticated methods to introduce our points. This topic sentence is expert level. The word proponents immediately signals that you're presenting one side of the argument. Using advanced vocabulary like custodial sentences and incapacitation sets a formal academic tone. This sentence doesn't just introduce the point, it frames the entire perspective with precision. Beyond paragraph structure, we must examine the connections between individual sentences. The original 5.5 response leans too much on elementary linking words such as also and another way. We need to elevate this internal flow. By incorporating referencing and advanced transitional phrases like moreover, focusing on rehabilitation of offenders, we build a much smoother progression of ideas. And for the conclusion, rather than a simplistic "in my opinion, I think," we change it to "in my view, while lengthy present sentences may be necessary, they are a reactive, not a proactive solution." This effectively synthesizes the entire debate. Now for vocabulary. We need to demonstrate a broad and precise lexical range related to criminology and social policy. Using precise collocations like pressing societal issue and reintegrate into society elevates the language significantly. This shows the examiner that your vocabulary extends beyond everyday English and into the specific domain of the question. It's equally important to eradicate basic word form mistakes and overly casual language. You can see the original text relies on phrasing like young peoples and have a work. Pay attention to the shift from make more crimes to pose a threat to society. We aren't merely replacing a single word here, we are lifting the whole expression into a formal academic register. This is a vital step for maximizing your lexical resource mark. Finally, grammar. The 5.5 essay has several basic errors that the Band 7+ writer would never make. We need to eliminate these and use more complex structures. The first correction fixes a basic superlative error. The second upgrade transforms a single grammatically incorrect sentence into a complex one using a passive structure, are empowered, and participle clause, thereby reducing. This demonstrates a far greater command of grammatical structures. However, simply being accurate won't get you to a Band 7. You also must demonstrate grammatical variety. The 5.5 attempt is dominated by basic short sentences like, "This makes all of us more safe." We need to weave these ideas together into more sophisticated complex forms. Through the use of complex noun phrases, such as imprisoning criminals for extended durations, alongside more advanced sentence architecture, we prove to the examiner that we have the grammatical agility and precision expected of a Band 7 or 8 candidate. Now, let's compare. The 5.5 essay is a simple list of ideas with many errors. The 7+ essay is a well-structured, balanced, and persuasive academic discussion. If you're serious about boosting your Task 2 score, join my free bi-weekly webinars. We break down essays just like this, and you can ask me anything live. Sign up using the link in my bio. Bye!